I have been seeing orange posset everywhere lately and I love lemon posset, so I kind of knew I was going to love this version too. After watching so many videos of that creamy texture, I finally decided to make my own version, and once I tried it, I knew I had to share it with you because it looks fancy, but it's actually really simple to make at home. It's silky, creamy, bright, citrusy, and every spoonful just melts in your mouth. And the best part is, you only need a handful of ingredients to make this beautiful dessert. Start by zesting 1 orange. You will need about 1 to 1.5 tablespoons of zest for this recipe. Try to avoid the white part underneath because that can taste bitter. Fresh orange zest makes such a big difference here. Once it hits the warm cream, your kitchen smells amazing. Now slice the oranges and scoop out the flesh. Give it a rough chop, then strain out all the juice. Fresh orange juice gives this dessert such a fresh flavor and balances the cream perfectly. That's what I love about this cutest dessert. It's creamy and rich but still feels really light and refreshing. And I love how fresh and pretty it looks without needing any extra effort. I also love that it feels light and refreshing after a meal. Now add the heavy cream to a saucepan along with sugar, orange zest, and a tiny pinch of salt. It doesn't seem like much, but that little bit of salt really helps balance the sweetness. Give everything a quick mix and place the pan over medium heat. Stir gently while the sugar melts into the cream. Recipes like this are honestly my favorite because the whole process feels so simple and relaxing. Bring the mixture to a gentle boil and simmer for about 7 to 8 minutes and keep stirring occasionally. Don't skip this part because this is what helps the posset set later. This is the part where your kitchen starts smelling so good. The warm cream and the orange zest together smells cozy and comforting. I can totally see why so many people love this dessert. After simmering, take the pan off the heat and let it cool for about 5 to 7 minutes. If the mixture is too hot, the orange juice can affect the texture, so letting it cool a little really helps. Now stir in the fresh orange juice and a little vanilla extract. The vanilla is optional, but I really like adding it because it gives the dessert a soft, warm flavor in the background. If you want intense orange flavor, you can also add a few drops of orange extract. At this point, the mixture already looks silky and glossy. You can already tell the texture is going to be really good. If you want it extra smooth like me, strain the mixture through a fine mesh sieve. Now pour the mixture into orange shells. This is the traditional way to serve orange posset. Transfer them to a refrigerator and chill for at least 5 to 6 hours or until fully set. Mine chilled for a few hours, so the texture stayed extra silky and smooth. If you want it thicker or more scoopable, you can chill it overnight. Once chilled, the texture turns so creamy and smooth. It feels rich, but the orange keeps it fresh and light at the same time. For the finishing touch, sprinkle a little fresh orange zest on the top and garnish with tiny orange pieces or mint leaves for the freshness. And just look at that texture. So silky, creamy, and smooth. It's perfect for dinner parties, holidays, or even just when you want to make something simple but special. I really hope you give this orange posset a try. It's one of those desserts that feels so impressive but is actually really easy to make. If you enjoy simple and delicious desserts like this, don't forget to like and subscribe to my Ginger Garlic Kitchen channel for more recipes. Thanks for watching. Happy cooking. See you next time.